Most people see olive oil as nothing more than a kitchen staple, a tasty addition to salads, pasta, or bread. But what if I told you that this golden liquid holds secrets far beyond cooking? Taking just a single teaspoon of olive oil at night can set off a series of powerful and irreversible reactions inside your body, reactions that work quietly while you sleep. Instead of just fueling you with calories, it nourishes your heart, cleanses your blood vessels, supports your liver, boosts digestion, strengthens immunity, and even slows the aging process at a cellular level. Ancient healers in the Mediterranean region understood this long before modern science caught up. For them, olive oil wasn't just food, it was medicine, an elixir of vitality and longevity. They used it to soothe inflammation, heal the skin, energize the body, and protect the heart. Today, research has confirmed what those old doctors knew. Olive oil is loaded with polyphenol, antioxidants, and healthy fats that actively protect cells from damage, reduce harmful cholesterol, and keep the body young and resilient. And here's the surprising part: you don't need massive amounts to see results. Even a teaspoon taken before bed, at the right time when your body is in recovery mode, can trigger benefits that compound over weeks and months. It's a small habit with the potential for life-changing effects, and most people have no idea how transformative it can be. This is why olive oil is often called liquid gold, because its impact on your health is priceless.
And to make your health journey even more effective, I also created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. It's full of simple, science-backed tips that work perfectly alongside remedies like olive oil. Grab it from the link in the description and start building your daily routine towards stronger health and lasting energy.
Taking olive oil at night is more than just a simple habit, it's about timing. When you consume it in the evening, especially right before going to bed, you give your body the chance to absorb and use its nutrients during the most important phase of recovery. While you sleep, your body naturally shifts into repair mode. Cells regenerate, tissues repair, the digestive system slows down, and the liver becomes highly active, filtering toxins and cleansing your blood. This is exactly the moment when your body needs powerful nutrients to fuel these processes. Olive oil, rich in antioxidants, polyphenol, vitamin E, and healthy monounsaturated fats, delivers the perfect support right when your system is doing its deepest healing work. Instead of fighting against the damage caused by poor diet, stress, environmental toxins, or inflammation, your body is suddenly provided with one of the purest, most effective healing substances nature has to offer. The antioxidants in olive oil protect your cells from oxidative stress, which is one of the leading drivers of premature aging and chronic disease. Its healthy fats nourish your cardiovascular system, reducing arterial stiffness and supporting circulation, while also calming inflammation that contributes to joint pain, digestive issues, and fatigue. By taking it at night, these compounds are not wasted on daytime activity, but instead go directly into repair and restoration, amplifying their effects. Another unique benefit of nighttime use is how it supports digestion and detoxification. Olive oil gently stimulates bile production, which helps your liver and gallbladder flush out toxins more efficiently. It also coats and soothes the digestive tract, improving nutrient absorption and easing mild constipation without harsh effects. Combined with the body's natural overnight detox cycle, this creates a powerful synergy. Your system clears waste, absorbs nutrients, and strengthens itself all at once. In short, taking olive oil at night transforms a small evening ritual into a deep healing practice. It allows your body to wake up more refreshed, with better circulation, improved digestion, and reduced inflammation. Over time, this simple nightly teaspoon can help protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and even slow down visible signs of aging. Olive oil works on the body in ways that go far beyond simply providing energy or flavor in food. It is a therapeutic substance loaded with compounds that interact directly with your cells, blood vessels, and organs. Its primary strength comes from its high concentration of monounsaturated fats, which are far healthier for the heart than processed oils or saturated fats. These fats don't just provide calories, they actively help balance cholesterol levels, lowering harmful LDL while supporting protective HDL cholesterol. This balance keeps blood vessels cleaner and more flexible, which improves circulation and reduces the risk of blockages. Alongside these fats, olive oil contains powerful plant-based compounds like oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol, both of which are proven antioxidants that neutralize free radicals before they can damage cells. Free radicals are one of the leading causes of oxidative stress, which accelerates aging, weakens immunity, and contributes to chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. What makes olive oil especially effective when taken at night is the timing. During the evening, your digestive system slows down and the body shifts from active mode into repair mode. This is when cellular regeneration happens, tissues heal, and the liver takes on the vital role of detoxifying your system. Olive oil fuels these processes by providing anti-inflammatory fatty acids that calm the body's internal environment, antioxidants that protect cells during repair, and compounds that enhance liver function. The liver, in particular, benefits because olive oil stimulates bile flow, which helps in flushing toxins and improving fat metabolism. This natural detox process reduces strain on your system and sets the stage for better energy and clearer digestion in the morning. Beyond circulation and detoxification, olive oil also interacts with the immune system. Its unique antioxidants act like shields, preventing immune cells from being damaged by oxidative stress, while its anti-inflammatory properties reduce chronic low-grade inflammation, a silent factor behind weakened immunity and faster aging. As a result, even though you are simply resting, olive oil is actively supporting your body's defenses and helping you wake up with stronger resistance to illness and more resilience against daily stress. In essence, olive oil doesn't just pass through your system like ordinary food, it works in harmony with your body's natural rhythms at night. It clears arteries, balances cholesterol, protects your heart, assists your liver in detox, strengthens your immune system, and slows down the cellular wear and tear that comes with age. 1 small teaspoon before bed becomes a silent but powerful ally for long-term health and vitality. Even a single teaspoon of olive oil at night can unlock a cascade of powerful effects inside your body. First and foremost, it acts as a natural protector for your heart. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil help reduce bad cholesterol while supporting healthy cholesterol levels, which means your arteries stay cleaner, more flexible, and far less prone to dangerous blockages. Over time, this simple habit can lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes. But the benefits don't stop there. Olive oil also works wonders for your digestive system. Just a teaspoon before bed can stimulate gentle bowel movements, relieve constipation, and improve the absorption of nutrients from the food you eat. While you sleep, it even supports your liver, giving it the fuel it needs to detoxify your body more effectively during those crucial nighttime repair cycles. Meanwhile, the antioxidants inside olive oil act like an internal shield. They strengthen your immune system, making your body more resilient against viruses, bacteria, and everyday stressors that wear you down. These same compounds reduce inflammation throughout the body, so your joints feel less stiff, your muscles recover faster, and your blood vessels remain in better condition. Olive oil doesn't just protect the inside, it shows on the outside too. The healthy fats nourish your brain, keeping memory sharp and focus steady, while also giving your skin a youthful glow. By fighting oxidative stress, olive oil slows down the damage that leads to wrinkles, dryness, and premature aging. Many people notice brighter, clearer skin after adding it into their nightly routine. Another hidden advantage is the way olive oil balances blood sugar levels. Instead of waking up hungry or craving sweets at night, your body stays satisfied and more stable. That makes it a natural ally for weight management, since it improves fat metabolism and keeps your energy steady without sudden spikes or crashes. And finally, perhaps the most fascinating benefit, olive oil protects you at the deepest level, your DNA and your cells. Its unique compounds help repair oxidative damage, restore cellular energy, and literally slow down the aging process. In other words, while you're sleeping, this single teaspoon is quietly working behind the scenes to keep you younger, healthier, and stronger. The best way to unlock the healing potential of olive oil is to use it consistently and correctly. turning it into a simple nightly ritual. The easiest method is to take 1 teaspoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil right before going to bed. You can sip it directly from the spoon, which allows your body to absorb the oil in its purest form, or, if you prefer something lighter on the stomach, you can dilute it in a small glass of warm water with just a drop of fresh lemon juice. This not only makes the taste gentler, but also gives your digestive system a soothing push, preparing it for a smooth night of rest and repair. The key is consistency. Doing it once or twice won't create lasting effects, but when you commit to this practice every evening for at least 2 to 3 weeks, your body begins to show real, noticeable improvements. Your digestion feels easier, your energy in the morning is steadier, and even your skin starts to reflect the benefits. It is crucial, however, to pay attention to the quality of the olive oil you use. Always choose extra virgin olive oil that is cold-pressed and preferably organic. This ensures the oil still contains the delicate antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and vitamins that are often destroyed in refined or heavily processed versions. Think of it as the difference between eating fresh fruit straight from the tree versus something canned and stripped of nutrients. The purity of the oil directly determines how much your body can heal, restore, and transform while you sleep. By making this tiny ritual part of your nightly routine, you're not just adding another health tip to your day, you're building a long-term foundation for better digestion, stronger immunity, and healthier aging. When it comes to using olive oil as a nightly health ritual, moderation and quality make all the difference. The most important rule is not to overuse it. Just 1 teaspoon is enough to trigger all of its powerful effects without overwhelming your digestive system. More is not always better, and in this case, consistency matters far more than quantity. Another crucial point is authenticity. Not every bottle-labeled olive oil on the shelf is truly extra virgin. Many cheaper products are blended with refined or lower-quality oils that have lost much of their healing power, so it's worth taking the time to ensure you are getting genuine, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Pay attention to labeling, certifications, and ideally, choose organic to protect yourself from hidden additives or pesticides. For people with certain health conditions, like gallbladder issues or those taking blood-thinning medications, it's wise to consult a doctor before starting this practice, since olive oil naturally stimulates bile flow and improves circulation, which could interfere with existing treatments. Finally, remember that olive oil works best as part of a bigger lifestyle approach. Pairing this nightly ritual with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proper hydration will amplify the benefits, helping your body detoxify, repair, and restore more efficiently. By treating olive oil not as a quick fix, but as a complement to overall healthy living, you can unlock its full potential and support long-term vitality. Olive oil is so much more than a simple kitchen ingredient for salads or cooking. It's one of the most powerful natural remedies you can add to your daily routine. Taking just a teaspoon before bed can set off a chain of irreversible reactions inside your body, working silently through the night to unclog arteries, calm inflammation, improve energy metabolism, and safeguard both your heart and your brain for years to come. This tiny habit may look simple on the outside, but science and centuries of tradition prove that it has the potential to reshape your health in profound ways. And if you want to take this even further, I've created a free guide called 7 Natural Habits to Stay Healthy and Energetic After 30. Inside, you'll find easy but powerful lifestyle practices that perfectly complement natural remedies like olive oil, helping your body stay strong, resilient, and youthful no matter your age. You can grab your copy right now from the link in the description. If this video inspired you or gave you new insights, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share it with someone who wants to preserve their health naturally. Sometimes the greatest healing doesn't come from complicated treatments or expensive supplements, but from the simplest foods hiding in plain sight, and olive oil is one of the clearest examples of that timeless truth.